Welcome to one of America's most advanced manufacturing plants. Today, I'll show you how the United States produces everything from consumer goods
Here in our state-of-the-art facility, massive CNC machines and laser cutters work in perfect synchronization to create the components of the future.
The AI is showing a slight anomaly on the production line.
Rerouting the primary sequence now. It's stabilizing. Every product is monitored continuously to ensure maximum quality. High-speed packaging systems prepare finished products for domestic and international distribution. Every item undergoes strict testing before reaching customers.
Manifest clear on Platform 3. Roger that. Crane moving Delta 7.
And that's how America manufactures millions of products every day, using some of the world's most advanced factories and technologies.
Subscribe for more AI factory tours and process documentaries.